Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to view or check your money balance on your TikTok account. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up TikTok. And if you are unsure how to get to your profile page, select the profile icon in the bottom right. Then you want to proceed to select the hamburger icon at the top right. Go ahead and left click on that and select the balance button. And then at this point, you should see what your reward balance is in here, as well as if you want to check your transaction information underneath services, it should show you what transactions or money has been transferred into your TikTok account. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, on how to do that. And you can view all of your income or money sources in here. So like I said, pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.